In this video, you will learn how to organize the icons on the home screen of an OPPO or OnePlus phone from this to this. And as a bonus, you will learn how to make it impossible to have a cluttered home screen. First, access the home screen editor by long pressing on an empty part of the screen, not the icons, which will fetch you a specific menu for that icon. It should be an empty space on the screen. Once you are in the editor, you can quickly organize the scattered icons by swiping up or swiping down. Swiping up will organize the icons at the top and swiping down will move them to the bottom. If you do this on each screen, it will be easier when you move the icons across screens. Also, only the icons move and the widgets stay in place. Once you have grouped the icons, you can start moving them. For moving multiple icons, select all the icons you want to move. Now, long press on one of the selected icons, you will see them forming a group. You can move this group across screens by dragging them to the edge. Once you reach the destination, you can release the hold and the icons will automatically ungroup. Instead of traveling through screens one by one, you can also drop the icon group to any of the home screens at the bottom. Select multiple icons again, long press on one of them, and drop to the desired screen. The icons will fill from the top, so swiping up to organize will not work. But you can swipe down and swipe up again if you want. Once you are finished with arranging, you can tap on the Done button at the top to save the settings. Once you tap, all the empty screens will vanish and you will be left with a tidy home screen. This group move is limited by the number of available slots in the target screen. If you try to move too many icons, you will be greeted with a message saying the same. The icons will move back to its original position too. Now, to avoid the hassle of arranging icons repeatedly, you can set them to auto arrange too. To do that, open Settings and tap on the Home Screen and Lock Screen menu item. In that, look for the icon Autofill switch. If you turn the switch on, all the icons will be auto arranged from the top and you will not be able to move them out of the group. I hope this video gave you a clear idea on how to arrange your home screen quickly and how to never have a haphazardly arranged home screen again. Thank you for watching this video. Have a happy day.